friends out there, let's practice some few SAT questions with me. This is a practice session which you can do in your free time and it will help you with your SAT preparation. So let's go with some easiest question of SAT and I hope you can solve it all with me. And this video comprises of 6 questions. So let's start with the first one. So it is a graph based question. So the question reads that a group of students voted on a 5 after school activities. The bar graph shows the number of students who voted for each of the 5 activities. How many students choose activity 3? So this is a basic question. We just have to look at the graph. Sorry. Yeah. So we can see that we are asked for the activity 3. This one. So here it is given in middle of between 35 to 40, and we can see that it's here, the value is here. So we can see that let me use a highlighter. Here it is it will be 39 or 38. Here it will be 38 or 39. We are not given the exact measurement here, so we have to do according to that. So here in option, let's see 25, and we can see that 25 is far away from that, so of course it's not the option, sorry, not the answer. 39, I said it would be 39. Oh yeah, it would be 39. And if we look further, it is 48, and 48 is also far away from that. 48 should be here, so it is also not the answer. And 50, you can see it is obvious that it is of course not the answer. So the correct answer is option B, 39, which is near here. Okay, so the correct option is 39. Let me write it with let me highlight it with a different pen. This color is ugly. Let me choose a beautiful army color, purple color. Okay, yeah, 39 is the answer. And let's go to the second question, and let me try a pink pen. Okay, so the question reads that x square upon 25 is equal to 36. Then we have to find the solution, which is the value of x. So we can solve that by dividing 25 on both sides. If we divide 25 on both sides, sorry, I'm really sorry. If we multiply 25 on both sides, let me write it directly. Like I'm saying that I'm really sorry. Yeah, I'm saying that if I multiply here 25 on both sides, 25 here on both sides, so this 25 and this 25 will cut, and multiply 36 by 25, we get here 900. So we get here 36 into 25 equals to 900 here. And if we square root on both sides, so we will get, and the square root value of 900 is 30. So here the correct option is B, which is 30. You can check on calculator too that the root value for 900 is 30. So yeah. Now here it's read that 3 more than 8 times the number x is equal to 83. Which equation represents this situation? Now we are saying that 3 more than, 3 more than means we have to add something, so we will just write 3 plus 8 times the number x. 8 times the number x. 3 plus 8 times the number x. Now 8 times the number x means it is, you can say 8. If we multiply by 8, it equals to the number 83. 8 times the number x means when we multiply x by 8, it is said that equals to 83. This is equals to 83. So 3 more than 8 times the number x is equal to 83, and we can eliminate this. Here it is not 3 more than, it's 3 times the number x, so it is also wrong. The correct option is D here, that is 8x plus 3. Now let's move on this question. It is very easy question. It reads that what percentage of 300 is 75. So we have to do here. It's a pretty tough question, or it's easy. I give you it as a homework because it takes a lot process. Now let's read this question. Hannah deposits a fixed amount into her bank account each month. The function f of t equals to 100 plus 25 times t gives the amount in dollars in Hannah's bank account after t months monthly deposit. Okay, what is the best interruption of 25? 25 in the context, it means this 25. In this we can see 25, like if we compare it to an equation, it is, if we compare it to an equation, y is equals to mx plus b. So here b is the constant and 100 is the constant. Mx means 25t, so we can say m is the 25. So it means that it is the slope of the graph. M is the slope of the graph. It means that, well, let me read the option with let me take out my pointer. I couldn't find it. Yeah, with each monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank is increased by 25. No, it's not. Before Hannah made any monthly, the second option reads that before Hannah made any monthly deposit, the amount in her bank account was 25. No, it is not a y-intercept, so this is also wrong. After one monthly deposit, the amount in Hannah's bank account was $25. So this is correct because you can say that it represents the change in y upon change in x. So in we can see that it's basically 25 upon 1. So when we can say that after whenever x changes by 1, y changes by 25, means in every 1 month the amount in Hannah account in Hannah bank account was 25. So this option is correct according to me, and I hope according to you too. So yeah, this option is correct. Now let's move on the next question. Here it is that for the linear equation function f, the table shows 3 values of x and the corresponding value of f of x. Which equation defines the fx? Now here it is simple. Either you put this value and you should get value of x as this, if you consider it as a true condition, or hence vice versa, that if you put this value you should get the value of f of x equals to this. Now let's go to solve this, and this takes a lot you can say a lot of time, because you have to check for each equation. So now let's go with this one. Here if we put x in the, let me go with the option A. So here if we put x equals to 0, we can see that then this whole term becomes 0 and f of x immediately come equals 29. So first condition is first value is correct for x. Now go with the next one. If we put the value of 3 multiplied by 1, so it would be 3, and 29 plus 3 is equals to 32. So this is also correct for the first option. Now if we go with the last value, so it is 3x plus 29, and here if we put the value of x equals to 2, we get 6 plus 29, and it's 29 plus 6. Yeah, it is also true. We got our answer, which is this. And the video, I want to keep this video as short as possible, so I'm not solving for all this because it takes a lot of time. So I hope you will check on your own the remaining value. But for here on our calculation, option A is correct, and it is, you can say, it is like mostly SAT question has only one correct answer, so you can say that this is the correct answer. And if you want to check the further, you are free, you can check, you have time, you can invest in a good thing. Now let's move to the question that I left. So equals to 35. Then if I say x upon 100 into 300 equals to 75, and here we can go with the 100 ones 100 and 100 threes are 300, so we get the value. We have divided 100 by 300, so we got the value 3x equals to 75. And if we divide x from both the if we divide 3x from I'm really sorry, I don't know what I am saying. Yeah, if we divide 3 from both sides, we get the value as, like, we divide the 75 by 3. Yeah, so if I divide, we get here 3 gets cancel out, and we got the value 25. For when we do 25% of 300 is equals to 75. So here the correct option is A, which is 25. Let me remove this. Yeah, so correct value is 25. When we take out 25% of 300, we got the value 75. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Let me write it for you. A big shout out to you. Bye. Thanks a lot. And please subscribe and like, because this is my extracurricular. Support my extracurricular, because I live in a very underprivileged area, so I don't have any extracurricular. So please help me. Please. Bye guys.